Evolution has created some truly strange body parts. Some look useful, some look ridiculous, and some look like mistakes. But every weird body part has a story. Let's start with one of nature's weirdest weapons, the narwhal tusk. It looks like a unicorn horn, but it is actually a tooth, a giant tooth growing straight out of the face. Scientists believe it may help with sensing and social status. Basically, evolution gave a whale a built-in fantasy spear. Next, the hammerhead shark has one of the strangest heads on Earth. Its eyes are stretched to the sides like a living metal detector. That wide head helps it sense prey hiding under sand. It looks bizarre, but it works beautifully. Then we have the giraffe's neck. Famous, elegant, and absurdly long. It helps giraffes reach leaves other animals cannot touch. But that neck also creates strange problems. Imagine needing special blood pressure just to stand up. Evolution solved one problem by creating 5 more. Still, it became one of nature's most iconic designs. Now look at the chameleon's tongue. It can shoot out faster than many animals can react. The tongue acts like a sticky biological slingshot. 1 second the insect is safe, the next, it is lunch. Weird? Absolutely. Efficient? Terrifyingly. And chameleons also have eyes that move separately. That means one eye can watch food while the other watches danger. Humans can barely text and walk without disaster. Next comes the elephant's trunk. Nose, hand, straw, and trumpet. It can smell, drink, grab, lift, and communicate. It has thousands of muscles and incredible control. Evolution basically gave elephants a face arm, and somehow it is both powerful and delicate. That is not weird engineering, that is genius engineering. Now, the star-nosed mole looks like an alien experiment. Its nose has 22 tiny fleshy tentacles. Those tentacles help it feel the world incredibly fast. It can identify food in a fraction of a second. It may look horrifying, but it is a superpower. Then there is the peacock's tail. Beautiful, huge, and inconvenient. It does not help the peacock run faster. It does not help the peacock hide better. It exists because attraction can be brutally competitive. Evolution sometimes says, survival is good, but style matters too. Next, the anglerfish carries a glowing fishing rod on its head. In the darkness, that little light attracts curious prey. Then the mouth opens, and curiosity becomes a mistake. It is one of evolution's creepiest traps. Imagine having a flashlight attached to your forehead forever. Useful, yes. Comfortable, probably not. The octopus has arms that almost think for themselves. Each arm can explore, grab, taste, and react. That is like having 8 assistants attached to your body. And unlike human assistants, they are made of pure muscle. Octopuses also change color and texture almost instantly. Evolution gave them camouflage, intelligence, and chaos. Now consider the platypus, a mammal with a duck-like bill. It lays eggs, senses electricity, and looks assembled from spare parts. The bill helps detect tiny movements from prey underwater. Nature really said, make it weird, but make it work. Some body parts become weapons, others become sensors, but the weirdest ones often solve very specific problems. A long neck reaches food. A trunk grabs water. A strange nose finds prey underground. A bright lure catches dinner. A huge tail may look useless until it wins attention. Evolution is not a designer with a perfect plan. It is more like endless experiments over millions of years. If something helps survival or reproduction, it can stay, even if it looks completely absurd. That is why nature is stranger than fantasy. Dragons are cool, but hammerhead sharks are real. Unicorns are magical, but narwhals actually exist. The weirdest body parts are not mistakes, they are survival stories, and evolution is still writing the next strange chapter.